G'day! This is one machine that's been absolutely driving me crazy. A HP Probook 430G8, and I've been trying to do a BIOS update on it as it seems to boot loop quite a bit, but the BIOS on it is rather out of date. The annoying thing is though, if I do any of the upgrade of the BIOS, if I can get there, where are we? Main, update system BIOS, rather old. If I try and check HP for BIOS updates, it says no internet connection and doesn't do a thing. If I do update via local media, it also doesn't do a thing. So right now, it's not doing either. It just boot loops. Also, if I hold the combination of Windows key and B and power, it will ignore that as well. So I've been trying to do here to boot off local media that I've made the BIOS update tool with, and that makes no difference. It just boot loops and continues on its merry way. If I go here and go network settings, if I go test, I'll get no network, but I'll add a Wi-Fi. Back, manage known, change, no. So if I connect to here, enter my password, connect to this network. Cool, connected. F10, save, yes. 10, yes. Back, back. And right now I'm connected. Configuring network. Connecting server. So right now it's all happy. I go OK. Try that again. So it blinks just for a fraction of a second. Download. Network is working. So if I go back now, back. Now if I go check for BIOS update, we restart. And now it's like it completely forgets about the Wi-Fi network that I just saved. Wait for it to turn back on. Yeah. Power. Backlight. And it says zip. Continue. Cannot detect line, network link, or line. So it's like it completely DCs the Wi-Fi. So I can't do it via Wi-Fi. I can't do it via USB. I've tried it with an adapter via Ethernet and it doesn't detect it properly at UEFI. I may be able to use an PCIe Ethernet adapter, but I'm not too sure. So far, this has been driving me completely bonkers. So just for the sake of documentation, if we turn it on, I want to hit escape. I don't know if it's also an incompatibility with my USB stick or something weird like that. There we go. If I go down to here, enter, and we're restarting. We've got power light now. HP. And then we're just going to proceed. Just going to ignore what I tried to do. There we go. Right now I don't have an SSD installed, so I won't boot Windows. Right now we just switched off. Looked at it, ignored it, carried on with life. I think I'm going to have to try a couple of different USB sticks. It should just go. It's not. Just drive me batty, because right now I do want to do a BIOS update on it. Its methods that it's got won't work. If I try and run the installer within Windows, it will just restart to a screen that's greyed out, won't have a logo, backlight on, and won't do anything. Fun.